Hello, the visibility was ruined. Maybe around 6 kilometers, or maybe 7, or 8, or 9, or whatever. Yes, the weather said 8 kilometers. Hey, a single time. You might think that was insane. One type of I got blow. But security, no dad. We need to get there. Fast as possible. We're responsible for that. What? Oh no, I think I stepped.
Papanya nggak kelihatan.
Oh my. Where all this fog come from, huh? Oh no. It's not good morning, good night. Hurry! Hurry! It's alright. We need to get out of here before anything bad happens. What? Bisa lah. I'm gonna freeze in death.
Yang di ini.
Oh my.
Iya, ya, dekat aja deh. Di footpath kan tadi ya. Di toilet di footpath ada kan? Ada di atas. Ya, footpath dulu, toilet dulu.
Okay.
Ini hujan atau apa sih, Pak?
Ada enggak hujan, kabut.
Hujan dari mana? Ini kabut dari mana? Dari Hongkong aku ada air. Aku nggak ada.
Ada kamu mama ada itu.
Oh, thank you.
Simpan handphone kamu dulu.
Bye guys. This is your end of day 1 of posting.